It's 2008. Britain has just secured 19 gold medals at the Summer Olympics in Beijing. Cycling in the UK is riding the crest of a wave. It's more popular than ever before. But was it sustainable? Could Britain maintain its position at the front of the crowd? One man decided to seize the moment.
Certainly from when I started cycling as a young lad in North Wales, it wasn't a major sport in this country. But I think slowly but surely the popularity grew, and we did particularly well at the Beijing Games. We started various different programmes as well as trying to perform at the elite level.
In 2010, Team Sky was created. Over the next 10 years, Dave and his team went on to win 9 Grand Tours and a staggering 327 victories. They became one of the most successful cycling teams in history.
I've always been a believer in somebody's going to win something, why can't it be us? As a nation, for example, we've got 64 million people, pretty capable. It's been a fantastic 10 years, progressing into Team Sky and challenging at times, but fantastically enjoyable.
But all good things must come to an end. Sky announced it would not be renewing their sponsorship. So what would that mean for the future of the team? Dave set out in search of a new sponsor, and in May 2019, the future was no longer in doubt when INEOS announced it would be taking over ownership.
When Team Sky said it was going to stop, you could say, okay, so I put my feet up, stop, and race my bike, enjoy myself and have a bit of comfort. But then you think, be brave, show some courage and go and try and do some crazy things, go and try and still go and achieve big goals and scare yourself.
And with this newfound courage, and with the support of INEOS, the 29-strong team have done just that. But why INEOS?
I didn't have any doubt in my mind that there was a fantastic opportunity, very, very different from what we'd been used to for the last 10 years. Sky is pretty corporate, pretty conservative, and I think the INEOS culture and mentality is very, very different, and I must say it's far more fun. In fact, I really, really love the way that INEOS came in and said, okay, if we're going to do it, let's do it properly. And that really chimed.